In this video, we're focusing on an essential part of software testing, analyzing test scope and generating test cases using AI. We'll demonstrate this process with DeepSeek, a newly released AI model from China that competes with OpenAI's o1 in benchmark performance. Let's get started. Here's our prompt. You are an expert who can advise on how to test different kinds of software applications. I will provide you with details about the software, and you'll give me ideas on how to test it. The software is a POS system that allows businesses to accept payments from customers and track sales. Please let me know how can I test the given product. DeepSeek will generate a list of critical testing areas for the POS system. Let's review the response. The key areas identified include functional testing, usability testing, performance testing, and several other essential testing types. Now let's ask for further details on authentication and authorization scenarios. Here's our next prompt. I need further details on authentication and authorization scenarios. Here you go. DeepSeek is generating authentication scenarios along with related test cases to ensure thorough testing of this feature. Now, let's ask AI to structure these test cases into a tabular format. Here's our prompt. Please use tabular format that can be copied to an Excel sheet. Amazing! Our test cases are ready in the tabular format. Let's copy these scenarios into a Google Sheet. After transferring the test cases into the sheet, you can adjust the formatting for better readability or export it as a CSV file for further use. This will allow importing these test cases into test management tools like Jira, TestRail, or Zephyr. And that's how you can efficiently analyze test areas and generate test cases for any software application using DeepSeek or other AI tools like ChatGPT. These tools significantly improve test planning and execution. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from software testing trends. See you in the next video. Happy testing!